This is day 39. Okay, day 39, the 2nd of July. I'm on of June, sorry. Yeah, this is the 2nd of June. I took a trade here on the S&P 500. It hasn't hit TP or stop loss as of yet. But then I believe if it goes to my stop loss at this time, I don't think I'm going to take the second trade. I'm not going to take another trade, so I just decided to make this video right now because whether it hits TP or stop loss, yeah, I'm done for the day. Okay, so I started by marking these lows on the 4-hour time frame and these highs. And then I went to the 1-hour time frame. Like, it's been playing around my TP for so long. I don't know, but then like it's been playing around my TP ever since. So okay, here on the 1-hour time frame, oh, these were the 4-hour lows. On the 4-hour time frame, I marked this Asian session high, and also marked this high, this 1-hour high right here, and also marked these London session highs. There were no fair value gaps to be targeted, but then there's so much. There are so many fair value gaps up here, which I believe that price might want to move higher today. I don't know. I believe so, according to my strategy. And yeah, I was actually looking for buys today. So here on the 5-minute time frame, as you can see right here, this is where price is right now, and this is my TP right here. If price decides to go back and take me out, yeah, yeah, yeah. But then, cool. Here, when market opened, price went higher, breaking structure to the upside, leaving a fair value gap order block, breaker block. And then there was this equilibrium right here as price came in and respected this fair value gap and closed within the discount area of the equilibrium. And then I went to the 1-minute time frame. And I'll tell you another mistake that I did. The mistake that I did. So as price closed within this discount area, I was waiting for a break of structure or inverse fair value gap on the 1-minute time frame. So price kept on dipping, leaving fair value gaps, and then gave me this high and went even lower, giving this fair value gap right here. Went lower, gave me this high, and it broke this high, not inverse the high. It broke this high right here. So it broke high. Then I entered here, but then as you can see right here, the spread sharp. I entered from here. Stops right below. Okay, wait. I wanna see something. I wanna see if I entered exactly here. If I would have hit TP yet. Also, I would have hit TP by here. But then because of the spread, price doesn't open yet. It opens a bit higher. So just a lot. Okay, cool. But then its price opened higher. Let's I already calculated everything. As price closes here with my stop here, that means I'll be risking a certain amount of my capital. So as price opened higher, that means I kind of risked more. So what actually happened is cool price came down and then started going higher and then it dwelled here. As it was here, what I actually did was I was like, okay, let me close. What was this? I wanted to close 20%. So the amount that I wasn't supposed to risk, like the extra amount that I was risking, I wanted to close that amount and then leave the rest. But then instead, I actually took more and left the amount that I added to what I was risking. I don't know if I'm making sense. So actually, let's say I was aiming to take out 20% from my initial order. But then instead of taking the 20% and leaving the 80, I took the 80 and left the 20. So yeah, that's what actually happened today. So yeah, even if price can reverse from here and take me out, yeah, I'm not gonna enter again. Because like it went so high into profits. Like if it's this high and then starts reversing and taking me out, I'm not gonna re-enter. Because I believe like so much has been taken out as price is already up here. So I think I'm just gonna pause the video. Maybe wait for like 10-20 minutes, and then if price hasn't hit TP or stop loss, I'll just stop the video and update you tomorrow. I said today was day one. Yeah, I can't even remember what day it is. Day 39. I think day 39. But then I said it at the beginning of the video. Then the 2nd of July, of June 2025. So yeah. Okay, I waited for like a few minutes. Maybe like uh 15 or 20 minutes. Like I waited for that long now. I think price was still here when it started dipping right here. So I just, yeah, I think I'm just gonna stop the video and then I just update you tomorrow whether it did hit TP or it has stop loss. Because yeah, I don't think I'm gonna wait for this long, because as you can see, it has been consolidating. Then I strongly believe that it is gonna go higher, as right here there's this 4 hour high and this 1 hour fair value gap up here. And he had already took out this liquidity down here. And if you look on the 5 minute time frame, it was a liquidity sweep. Right, yeah. This was a liquidity sweep here on these 1 hour lows. And then price started reversing to the upside. So yeah, I strongly believe that price will come up here, even though still consolidating here. So yeah, I don't know when, but then if it goes to my stop loss, it's stop loss. TP is TP. Yeah, that's it for today.